How to write a compelling copy for your website or blog. Copywriting is the process of creating written content that is designed to persuade or influence a reader to take action. When it comes to writing copy for your website or blog, it's important to understand the basics of copywriting, such as the importance of headlines, subheadings, and calls to action. Identifying your target audience and their needs. Before you start writing your copy, you need to identify your target audience and their needs. This will help you craft a message that resonates with your readers and addresses their pain points. You can do this by creating buyer personas, conducting market research, and analyzing your website or blog's analytics. Crafting a clear and concise message. When writing copy for your website or blog, it's important to be clear and concise. This means using simple language, avoiding jargon, and getting straight to the point. Your copy should be easy to read and scan, with clear headings and subheadings that guide the reader through the content. Adding creativity and personality to your copy. While it's important to be clear and concise, you also want to add some creativity and personality to your copy. This can help you stand out from your competitors and create a connection with your readers. You can do this by using storytelling, humor, or other creative techniques that align with your brand voice and values. Testing and refining your copy. Once you've written your copy, it's important to test and refine it to ensure it's effective. This involves tracking metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and bounce rates to see how your copy is performing. You can then make adjustments and refine your copy based on this data. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can create copy that engages and persuades your readers, ultimately driving conversions and growing your business.